Hey guys, so I know I said on Twitter I was going to stop recording after doing that top 10 list, but something came in today and I'm going to cram another video in today. This is what came in today. And if y'all don't know what that is cat wine. Ooh, it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. I thought it would at least be a tad bit bigger, but that's okay. And I just could not wait for little Miss Luna. Luna, you want to try this? Yeah. We're gonna get Luna to try this. I got her a little bowl. Kiki. That smells like a cherry. It smells like cherries. Yeah. I got it open. Luna! Let her get a sniff. Yeah, come on. You can get on the bed. Mommy's gonna let you do something naughty. You ready? Okay, here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna pour it for you. Ooh, not too much. I don't want to give her like a lot. You gonna try it? Go ahead. We're just gonna dive right in. Do you like it? Oh, snubbed. What? What are you looking for? Hey. You gonna at least try it? At least give it a lick. Not yourself. Oh my goodness. Come on, Booski. Come on. Are you building up to it? Come on, give it a try. She's not gonna touch it. Luna! Luna! I got this for you. She's like, no. Come on. Come on. I'm going to give it to Mimi. I'm going to give it Nene. What if I gave you a treat? Guys, this is not working. I just wasted my money on this. Luna. Oh. So, I went and got Mimi. We're going to see if Mimi will drink it. What is that? You going to try it, Mimi? Go ahead, try it. Oh, Luna, come on. I'm trying to get her to try it. Luna, you won't drink it, but you don't want Nene to have it. That's not nice. That's not nice. She says, that's mine. I'm not going to drink it, but it's mine. Alright. We're going to do it this way. This video is about me getting the cats to at least try it. Ew, it's kind of orange now. Here, Nene. Holy crap. Come on now. Double snubbed. Double snubbed. Are you guys sure? Y'all both sure? Come on. Let's. Come on. No? No? Y'all don't like it? Okay. Alrighty then.
3 hours later.
Okay, I'm going to try a little coaxing with her. Is this bad that I have to do this? Let me get the bag open, guys. Come here. Oh. I put like 2 in there. She loves her cat treats. This is about the only way I'm going to probably get her to try it. She's like, no, I don't. She says, why, Mama? Yay! That's bad. That's horrible. I have to coax her into that. Do you like? I guess she likes it. Oh no, she's looking for more treats. Oh, smart baby. Do you want me to just move the plate? There. I'm happy she at least tried it. May not have been a whole lot. Look. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Not every product works on every cat. And it's bad I had to use these to coax her into at least trying it. Which I'm okay if she tries it, like even just one little lick. I'm okay with that. My sister has more cats than me, and so does my brother. So one of those two people, whoever gets to me first, can have the bottle for their pets. Probably more likely my sister, because my sister's cats are addicted to catnip, and I'm pretty sure they're winos too. Hey, Luna says, hey Luna, tell the fans, you gotta tell them. Say, stay positive, everybody. Yep, that's how she does it. She's just so cute. Yes. Stay positive, everybody, and we love you.